Across the silent eastern tide, great treasure ships began to glide, golden sails beneath the sky, chasing dreams that never die. 7 voyages crossed the sea, carrying hope and harmony, silk and porcelain, songs and light, turning strangers into friends that night. Every harbor knew his name, not for war or thirst for fame. He brought respect instead of fear, leaving peace from shore to shore each year. The ocean whispered ancient tales, guiding every mighty sail. Stars became the captain's guide, moonlight walked the silver tide. Then one day the anchor stayed, the mighty fleet began to fade. Harbors waited, winds grew still, echoes drift beyond the hill. Where the endless blue meets the sky, old legends never truly die. Every wave still softly sings of forgotten fleets and distant kings. Raise your eyes toward the sea, history lives in memory. Not every hero sought a throne, some built bridges of their own. Let the oceans tell the story, not of conquest, not of glory, but of journeys, hearts and dreams, flowing like eternal streams. Though the ships are seen no more, hope still reaches every shore. History sails with every breeze, forever carried by the sea.